Wagwan, wagwan, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please remember to hit that subscription button, guys. I need to grow this channel, so please subscribe, leave a like, remember to comment, all right? Share. If you find this video useful and you have some friends that you want to share to, share the video. Share the video, guys. Share till you can't share no more. All right, guys. From the title, you already see what this video will be about. So today, I'm going to give you guys some popular Jamaican slangs that are still in 2023. So guys, let's go. Let's get straight into the video.
Sing! 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 Sing!
Wait a bit. I want to say this before I even start. I'm going to try my best to explain these slangs the best that I can because some of these words are not able to translate. You can't translate them. All right, so I'm going to start it off nice and easy. So our first word on the list is bangaphone. So when you hear a Jamaican say, "Oh, you have a little bangaphone, man," a bangaphone means it's not a smartphone. It's just those older phones from 1995, those little small phones that you can't really use the internet with. That's a bangaphone. So if you're still using that phone today, actually if you're using that phone, you won't even be able to watch my video. So yeah, I know all of you guys don't have a bangaphone. And then also don't mix up that word with banger. So I would say, yo guys, this is a banger video. I would say this is a banger video. So banger video and banger phone, there are two different songs. So if I say this is a banger video, it means this is a very good video and this is a very entertaining video, right? So that's what a banger video, it's a hit. You'd say this video is a hit. So banger phone, banger video, two different things. All right, guys. Number 2 on the list, we have gimme. Gimme little of your food, no man. Give me some now. Gimme some money now. Gimme basically mean give me. Can you give me some money? Give me some money. Can you give me some of your food? Give me some of your food. So it's gimme basically mean gimme. So you use gimme first and then then whatever else comes after so you first say gimme and then you say give me some of your food. Just as though you would say give me, right? You just say gimme. We're basically just shortening it. So the third thing on my list is over yaso. Over deso and yaso. So that's 3 different slangs. So first of all, I would say, if for example, I would say come over yaso. When I say come over yaso, it means can you come over here? But if I say go over deso, it means can you go over there? And if I say yaso, come yaso, it would mean come here. So for example, I would say go over deso, go pick up the shoes and bring it yaso. You mean go over there, pick up the shoes and bring it here, right? I know it's a lot to learn now, but if you rewatch the video, then you'll get it more. All right, moving on to number 4. All right, so number 4 we got so I'm gonna use Maga. When a person say you're Maga, it means you're very skinny, your skins and bones. When we say you're Maga, for example, one popular one would be the Maga gal. A Maga gal basically means a Maga girl or a Maga dog. But Maga means skinny. So you can use skinny for anything. You can say the Maga boy, the Maga girl, the Maga dog, the Maga pocket, your pocket Maga because you're broke. All right. Then number 5 is it bad. When a Jamaican person say it bad, it basically means good. So bad means good in some cases. For instance, if I'm saying, yo, that song is bad, it means yo, this song is good. I love this song. This song is so nice. And if I say, yo, that food is bad, man, it means yo, this food is delicious. Top of the top, delicious, right? And then another one is it have a buzz. It have a buzz, man. If I say if you give me some food to eat and I taste it, I'm like, yo, this food is delicious. I would say, yeah man, it have a buzz. I like it. It have a buzz. All right, next one we have G's and P's. G's and P's. If I say G's and P's, I'm pretty sure by my expression, you already know what that means. So G's and P's basically mean, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It means like you're surprised. Or most of all, like it's like when you forget something. Like you forget to lock your house when you're leaving out, right? And then when you're on your way to wherever you're going, you're like, G's and P's, I forgot to close the door. Or you forgot your key inside. You're like, G's and P's, I forgot my key inside the room. How am I gonna get in? I don't have my key. You know, or G's and P's, I totally forgot to pick up my brother from school. Okay, please don't do that. But yeah, like G's and P's is just that you're surprised. Or you can just, like when a person say, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So that's what G's and P's means. Next one on the list, we have number 7. So number 7 is white squall. So have you ever seen like what we call it, like when we say white squall is mostly like when we're making a joke with our friends. Like for instance, you know, sometimes if you're talking, there might be like some dried up white spot on the sides of your mouth, or when you just wake up in the morning and then somebody might see your mouth looking dry and they're like, white squall bite you. But it's mostly like a joke. You don't just go up to a random stranger and say white squall bite you. White squall would be like you have to say it to like your close friend or your brother, your sibling, or somebody close to you. You're never gonna say that to a stranger, you know. So white squall is basically when your mouth is dry, it just looks like you're hungry. So people would just say, white squall bite you, man. You want some food? Or white squall bite you. Come, let me give you something to eat. So that's what white squall is. All right, next one we have is shadow the brakes. Now this one was this slang came from a popular video when a guy was teaching somebody to drive, and then you know the person crashed in the bushes because the guy was like, shadow the brakes, and the person doesn't know what shadow the brakes means, right? So the person was just driving along. But shadow the brake, when we say shadow the brake, it mainly comes into effect when you're driving. So like if somebody's teaching you to drive and they're like shadow the brakes, it means like put your foot over the brake, but don't press the brake. Just put your foot over it. You know, like just as if I put my hand over, you see a shadow right here under my hand. It's just basically it. Put your foot over the brake so that it doesn't, so that whenever you're ready to stop, you're there already ready to stop like this, right? So that's basically what shadow the brake means, right? But that's a popular slang too. All right, next one. So we got radam. And even me just saying radam, it's just so funny because the thing about radam is radam doesn't have a direct meaning. If you ask me what radam means, I cannot tell you. And I'm pretty sure a lot of other Jamaicans cannot give you the word for word meaning of radam, because really radam doesn't have a meaning. But the reason why we use radam is mainly because we want to make fun of people. Like for instance, if you're running and then you slide and then you fall, then somebody would be like radam and then everybody else start laughing. But it's mostly like a close, as I said, like most of these slangs, when you're making jokes, it's mostly like a close type of thing. Like you and your friend, you're making jokes and then, you know, something happened and then you're just laughing at them and you'll be like, radam, you know? So radam is just basically an expression that you use when somebody make a mistake or somebody embarrass themselves, you know? Like say for instance, your friend is boasting that, yo, I'm the best. I can do a flip, or I can flip off that ledge or whatever, right? And then they go now to flip off the ledge and then boom, they just fall. All of you guys would be like, radam! And then it's just embarrassing because he was boasting before and then now boom, him get a radam. Or if you're riding a bicycle, right? And then like maybe your friend is like, yo, I can ride bicycle, I'm a bad pan riding bicycle, man. You know, and then he's riding the bicycle and boom, him crash into the fence or something, crash into the bushes. You're like, radam! It's so funny. It's so funny, and it's more funny because it doesn't really have a direct meaning. So a lot of my friends would be like, what does radam mean? And I'm there like, it doesn't have a meaning, you know? So yeah, that's another very popular one that's going right now. And last but not least, this one is me must catch you. When a person said me must catch you, you know, you have to take that very serious, especially if your mom said that. Your mom would be like, long run, short catch. Like when your mom, like if you do something bad, like you do something that you're not supposed to do, and then you know that you did something bad, and your mom is waiting for you to come home to give you some beating, then you might be like, oh, delaying, like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna go home because I know I'm gonna get some slaps. Your mom is just patiently waiting for you, like long run, short catch. So you try to run all day, but guess what? You still have to come back home. So you run all day, but you still have to come back home. So long run, short catch. And then also like, what did I say? I said, me must catch you. Me must catch you mean do all you want, but karma. That's basically what it means. Me must catch you, you know? Me must catch you, karma. That's basically karma. I must catch you. Because now you feel like, oh, you're big bad and bossy because, you know, you feel like you get away with whatever you got away with. But me, I'm here like, oh man, I must catch you, man. Long run, short catch. The moment when you least expect it, boom, radam. Okay, guys, I had to take the opportunity. That was funny. Yeah, man. So long run, short catch, man. So all of you guys that are not subscribing now, guess what? Long run, short catch. You might not subscribe now, but guess what? You'll subscribe later. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to hear more, this is my third Patwa video. Like, guys, I'm Jamaican. That's my daily language. So, like, if you want more videos like these, guys, I have them coming back to back. So just let me know if you want to see more Patwa videos, guys. I'll give them to you. All right. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video entertaining, please send to your friends, send to your family, send your mother, send your father, send your sister, send your brother, send everybody who you know. So like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you. Big up yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.